In this lecture, we will try to understand what is abstract. What is abstract class? Also, we will also try to understand what is abstract method. This is one of the important concepts in Java programming language. In future, we will spend a lot of time on these particular concepts. Let me say like this: an abstract class, an abstract class, an abstract class, an abstract class is a class, designed with implementation gaps. Implementation gaps. Who has to fill these gaps? Implementation gaps for subclass to fill in. It is simple statement. It is simple and straightforward statement. This is very important. An abstract class is a class designed with implementation gaps. This term is important. This one. It has got implementation gaps. Who will fill these gaps? These gaps can be filled by subclass. A subclass must fill the gaps in abstract class. An abstract class, I can say an abstract class is an incomplete class. It is incomplete. It's not complete class. It is in an incomplete class. Why it is an incomplete class? Why? Because it has implementation gaps. What is the purpose? This abstract class, I can say, let me say, it gives skeleton. It gives skeleton. That's important. It gives skeleton of methods. Then who has to fill this skeleton? Who has to fill? The subclass has to fill this skeleton. The abstract class should declare with abstract keyword. Yes, there is keyword known as abstract keyword. With the help of abstract keyword, I can declare abstract class. The subclass should implement all abstract methods of an abstract class. Even if one is omitted, let me say I have 3 abstract methods. 3 abstract methods in my abstract class. Let it be. It's an assumption. Let me assume in my abstract class I have 3 let. It's a big let. It's an assumption. Let me say I have 3 abstract methods in my abstract class. If there is a subclass which is extending my abstract class, it has to implement all 3 abstract methods. Even if a subclass, if it omitted, if is not able to implement at least one of the method in my abstract class, your program cannot be compiled. Your subclass, if your subclass omits at least one of the abstract method, then your program cannot compile. This point is very important. In similar manner, what is my abstract method? What does it mean? An abstract method, let me say abstract method. Yes, an abstract method does not contain executable body. We will try to understand. I will repeat. An abstract method does not contain executable body. An abstract method declares method name. It declares. It declares method name. It declares method name. What is parameter types? Parameter types. Even I can say return types. Return types and not body, but not body. It cannot keep body. It cannot have body. Even empty braces constitutes a body, but an empty body. Even it cannot keep empty braces, isn't it? That is that is functionality is not written. If you are not providing body, means what? Functionality is not written. Functionality is not written. That's important. You are not providing body to the abstract method. What does it mean? Functionality is not written. An abstract method is, as I told you, an abstract class starts with abstract keyword. In similar manner, an abstract method is declared with an abstract keyword. I need abstract keyword to declare my abstract method. Of course, after that method, I will repeat, an abstract method is declared with an abstract keyword and ends with semicolon instead of a method body. An abstract class allows us to design a new class. A class with abstract method, this point is important. A class with abstract methods. A class with abstract methods should be abstract. It should be abstract. This point is important. A class with abstract methods should be abstract. There is a class, graphics class. I will discuss this graphics class in future classes. Time being, just understand there is a class, graphics class, which is available in a package known as java.java.awt. Abstract window toolkit package that I will discuss contains several abstract methods. This graphics class has several abstract. It has got this graphics class defined in java.awt package contain several abstract methods. This is one of the important concept. This java.awt is one of the important package in designing graphical user interfaces. We will try to understand what is the java.awt in my future classes. Abstract methods are used to ensure that subclasses implement the method. Abstract method allow us to design a class with some or all methods left for subclass to fill in. A class containing abstract methods is also called abstract, and it must be declared with abstract keyword. If any class extends the abstract class, the subclass should override. This point is important. Let me write this one. If any class extends the abstract class, the subclass should override. The subclass should override or give body for all abstract methods, of the superclass. That's important. We will try to understand this concept with the help of simple Java program. Just see this program. Just see, it is simple and straightforward program. This is class space, class name is hello. Hello is my class name. Of course, as it is an abstract class, I must start with keyword abstract. This is keyword. That's what I discussed. What is this? Void display. It is an abstract method. Why? Because I am keeping abstract keyword. As I told you, this abstract method ends with semicolon. It should not have body. No body. It's a skeleton, I can say. It's a skeleton. Who has to fill the skeleton? Who has to provide this body? Whoever extends this class, they has to provide body for this my abstract method. In similar manner, I have another abstract method, that is void show. What about this cal? It is non-abstract method. It is non-abstract method. Why? Because I am providing body for it, isn't it? This is beginning of the class. This is ending of the class. What is the description of this class? It has got two abstract methods. It has got two abstract methods, one non-abstract method, isn't it? Now, what am I doing? Just say class space class name nog_65. This is my subclass. This extends my superclass. My superclass is hello. What is the duty of the subclass? It has to fill the gaps. It must fill the gaps. It must fill the implementation gaps. It must fill the skeleton. It must provide the body. To whom will it provide body? It has to provide body to the abstract methods which are defined in my superclass hello. Which one is abstract methods here? Display and show are abstract methods. That's what I am doing here. I am providing body to them. Just see, I am providing body here. Just see. Void display. I am keeping a, for simplicity, I am keeping messages. I am not writing some big programs, as you must aware of basic syntax. My intention of this lecture series to understand concepts. That's why I am designing these lectures in so simple manner. Just I am displaying a message OK1, nothing more than that, isn't it? Now where will I go? This is another abstract method for whom I have to provide body. Just I am providing body. Just I am displaying OK2. Public static void main string args. We know what's the meaning of it. I am creating an object. For whom am I creating? I am creating an object for subclass. Class name space object name equal new class name. N is my object name. Let me show the output once. What is this? N.display. What is the meaning of N.display? Where control will go? N.display means automatically control will go here. Therefore, system.out.println means this OK1 will get displayed. N.show. Where is my N.show? N.show means it will display OK2. Isn't it? N.cal. Cal is non-abstract method. Where will it go? It will go here. And what will it display? It will display hello. If you observe carefully, we have overridden these two methods. Which methods? Display method and show method. Overridden in the sense, in the present context, overridden means I am giving definition to this method. But whereas there is one non-abstract method cal, am I overriding it? I am not overriding, isn't it? If you want, you can override. If you want, you override this non-abstract method, isn't it? That method overriding we already discussed. This is simple lecture which explains about abstract class and abstract methods. In my next lecture, we will try to understand a very important concept in Java programming language, that is interface. What is interface? In my next lecture, I will compare abstract class and interface. We will compare these two concepts. Just time being, go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Just see, let me demonstrate this also. How can I demonstrate? Just see, it is nog1_65. This program name is nog1_65. Just see, this is a program. If you want, let me clear the screen. Just let me show the output once. What it says, javs space nog1_65.java. And how can I run this program? javs, yes, how can I run? Just see, java space, sorry, This is another program output. This must be 1_65, isn't it? Yes, let me say like this. Yes, let me run this program. What will you get? You will get OK1, OK2. Hello, that's what that program output says. As I told you, this one is a simple lecture. Just go through it. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.